guys, Patrick here. If you're having trouble extracting yourself from a photo to create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel, you've come to the right video. Here we go. Open up Photoshop. Just going to use this here photo of me. So if you want to cut out just the person, right? So you can make a Canva thumbnail. Here's what you do. Hit W, just press it, hit select subject. Should see the dancing ants in a second here. There we go. Then hit Command J. See, what that did was duplicate that layer and just did boom. Turn off the background layer. There you go. When you want to save it, you want to go to export as, you could do quick export as PNG, or you could do export as. Make sure you save it as a PNG here with transparency selected, because if not, monsters are going to come and get you. Then you hit export. We could find our thumbnail. This one right here. So if you were to drag it in a Canva, create a new design, make a mock-up YouTube thumbnail. Go ahead and select this, delete her. If you were to drag in the image it's loading in right there. Should be that one right there. Boom, left click it. Now you've got a picture of yourself to use on your Canva account to make cool thumbnails. If you want your hand to go under the "your" there, you would so you right click, go to layer, hit show layers. There you go. You can see it's moving right there. So there you go, guys. That's how you extract yourself from an image in Photoshop and export as a PNG, upload to Canva, and left click and drag, left click, and photo should be right there. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe! Yeah. Like and subscribe, everyone! Like and subscribe to Patrick Bolden-Smith. Yeah. I love black men.
I'm trying to get in your room.
Through and fucking